Welcome back. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to discuss today logarithms. Logarithms definition. If a, b and c are three real numbers such that a equal to not 0 and a power b equal to c, then b is called logarithm of c at base a and is written as log c at base a equal to b, read as log c at base a is b. Therefore, we can say if a power b equal to c, then it may be changed in logarithm form log c at base a equal to b. Interchanging a power b equal to c is called the exponential form. This can be changed log c at base a equal to b. This is called logarithmic form. If x is a positive, then x power 1 equal to 1 implies that log 1 at base x equal to 0. Log 1 to the base x equal to 0. Log 1 at base 5 equal to 0. Log 1 at base a equal to 0. Log 1 at base any real number always 0. X power 1 may be written is equal to x as 2 power 1 equal to 2 implies that log x at base x equal to 1. Log x to the base x equal to 1. Log 5 at base 5 equal to 1. Log a at base a equal to 1. Log of any real number at the base of same real number always 1. That means here. Now come on the numerical. First, all of you write these concepts in your note copy. Now question 1. Express (81 power 3 by 4) is 27 in logarithm form. Logarithmic form. Here given 81 power 3 by 4 equal to 27. Therefore, we know that as a power b equal to c, log c at base a equal to b, same way log c at base 81, here you can say log 27 at base 81. Log 27 at base 81 equal to 3 by 4. This is the solution of the question. You can say answer. Now question 2. Express log 0.125 at base 8 equal to -1 in exponential form. Therefore, solution log 0.125 at base x equal to -1. This log c at base a equal to v can be written in exponential form a power v equal to c. Therefore, from this 8 power minus 1 equal to 0.125, this is in exponential form. Question third. Find x if log x square minus 1 at base 7 equal to 2. This is given. Find the x if log x square minus 1 at base 7 equal to 2. Solution: log x square minus 1 at base x square minus 1 at base 7 equal to 2. Therefore, 7 power 2 in exponential form x square minus 1. 49 equal to x square minus 1, or you can say x square equal to 49 plus 1, x square 50, x equal to plus minus question in this 2x square. Log 7 2x square minus 1 equal to 2. Log 2x square minus 1 at base 7 equal to 2. 7 power 2 equal to 2x square minus 1. This 2x square 50, x square equal to 25, x equal to plus minus 5, x equal to taking positive because x is positive here. This is answer. Now all of you write down this. Now question 4. Evaluate log 0.5 by power log 16 at base 0.5. Solution: let log 16 at base 5 equal to x, or 0.5 in exponential form equal to 16, or 1 by 2 x equal to 2 power 2 to the 4 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 2 power minus 1 x equal to 2 power 4 2 power minus 6 equal to 2 power 4, or minus x equal to 4, or x equal to minus 4. Solve this. Write down.
Hi.
Question 5. Given log y at base 5 equal to n, express 5 power 3 n plus 2 in term of y. Solution: 5 3 power n plus 2 may be written 5 power, this is a 5 power 3 n into 5 power 2. This may be written 25 5 power n power 3, you may be right, this 25 in this 5 power, this is a 1, and given log y at base 5 equal to n, or you may be written 5 power n equal to y, this is equation 2. From y and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, that 25 5 power n y cube. This is the answer. First, all of you write this. Now, come on, question. Question 6. If log x square minus 21 equal to 2, so that x equal to plus minus 11. Solution: log x square minus 21 equal to 2, log x square minus 21 may be written log 100, because the value of log 100 equal to 2, and therefore x square minus 21 equal to 100, x equal to 121, or x equal to plus minus square root 121, x equal to plus minus 11. Hence, proved. Now, all of you solve this exercise 8A